Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to come to you guys with another which is better videos. I know that you guys really enjoy my which is better videos. You like me comparing different products so you guys can determine, okay, which product is better for you. So in today's which is better style video, I'm going to be comparing these two guys right here. So I have, of course, the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and Fenty Glow, and then I have the newer one that came out, and this is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. As you guys know, I love the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I do have a video already reviewing this, and I'll leave that link up and through here. But like I said, I'll be comparing it with to the Diamond Milk. And basically the purpose of this video is me comparing these two, saying like, okay, this type of person would like the Fenty Glow versus the Diamond Milk, and the person who likes the Diamond Milk would like the Diamond Milk versus the Fenty Glow, and the types of people that would generally like, you know, these glosses and the differences that they make. So as far as what makes these products similar is that they are both $18, which in my opinion for a Sephora brand, that's really affordable. Also, the amount that you get in here is exactly the same. It's 0.3 ounces, 0.3 ounces. Yeah, 0.3 ounces or 9 mils. And yeah, so that's a good amount of gloss. And then of course, as far as the actual texture, not the texture, but the actual finish of the gloss, they both have a nice shiny finish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the Fenty Gloss Bomb first, and then I'm going to talk about that and what type of person would prefer the Fenty Gloss Bomb, the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb over the Diamond Milk. Alright, so this is the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb on. Now with the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb, it does have a nice warm, like pinky sort of tone to it where pretty much anybody can wear it, and I personally believe that anybody can wear both of the glosses, but with this one, it makes the lips have a little bit more of a warmer hue to it, like a slight warmer hue. And also in the package you do see those bits of glimmer in the formula itself, and the bits of glimmer, it's not like a cool tone shimmer. Those shimmers are a little bit more on the warmer side, and that's something that I noticed as I've worn the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb, you know, since I've purchased it. It does transform the lips into a more slightly warmer slash almost natural hue, and that's why it compliments so many people. So now that I have talked about the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb, let's go ahead and talk about the Diamond Milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy on. Alright, so this is the Diamond Milk Gloss Bomb on. As you can tell, it is very different from the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. Now, this gloss bomb is definitely more so on the silvery, cooler tone side, as you can see. And that's the one thing that I will say about this gloss bomb that is the biggest difference between the other gloss bomb, is that it does give more of that icy, cooler tone effect. But the good thing about it is that it doesn't make the lips look ashy, and that is definitely something that I was worried about when I purchased this, and that it doesn't do. It doesn't make the lips look ashy whatsoever. The one thing that I can say though is that if you do have lips like mine, where it is more so darker on the perimeter and you do have that pinkness, it does look a little bit, how should I say? It does look a little bit weird. It does look kind of throwback, like almost 90s-ish. So if you have like if you wanted to go for that look, you can definitely do like a really dark like lip liner and then just throw on this gloss. That actually would be a good look to do. Actually, I'm gonna keep that in mind and I might do that for a video. And this gloss bomb is definitely not going to be everybody's cup of tea. I feel like this would be appropriate for somebody who doesn't mind having that really cool tone gloss effect. And also I feel like this would be very appropriate as a gloss over like paired with some holiday look. This color does have, as far as the little shimmers that are in it, it does, what makes it more of that cool tone, it does have like it's clear, but it has that white base to it, and it does have like that blue sort of like shimmery reflex in the glitter that's in the gloss bomb. So I would definitely say if you're not into like this cooler tone effect on the lips, and I say this is not for you, then go with the original Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. Alright guys, so this is some up close swatches of the two colors. Obviously the top one right here is the Diamond Milk, and the bottom one right here is the original Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. As you can tell with the top shade, the Fenty Gloss Bomb Diamond Milk, it has like a slight blueness in it. And as you can tell by the bottom one, the Fenty Glow, you see like little bits of that yellow that I was talking about in there. So that's what makes this one a little bit more wearable for like almost pretty much 99% of people. While this one up top, this isn't going to be everybody's cup of tea, but it is going to be wearable for almost everyone's skin tone and lip type, I guess I should say, but it just won't be everybody's cup of tea as far as the style of color that it is. It's a little bit more on the icy cool tone side. So you guys are probably wondering, okay, well, what is your favorite out of the two gloss bombs? So personally, my personal favorite is going to be the original Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. This one is not bad. I don't dislike it whatsoever. I just prefer this one slightly better just because I can make it more wearable for me every day. I'm much more of a natural lip type of person on my everyday basis. I can put this on anything and just blends in with my lips and just makes me look naturally good. This one's just a little bit too, it's a little bit too different than my natural. It makes my lips stand out a little bit more than I don't want to. Not necessarily in a bad way, just in a different way where I don't want my lips to stand out that much. With me personally, I like my lips to have a little bit of evenness in color, but I don't want them to be like, bam, here are my lips. And that, for me, that's what this does. So that's why the original is my favorite. So I know that both of these products have been out for a while. So if you've tried both of these products, let me know which one is your favorite. Is the original your favorite, or is the Diamond Milk your favorite? Let me know in the comments below and let's have a chit chat about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos to come. And yeah, I will catch you guys later in another video.